Have you ever wondered who is in charge of your body? Who tells your legs to walk, your hands to wave, or your mouth to smile? The answer is a super important organ inside your head. It is called the brain. Your brain is the boss of everything you do, think, and feel. It works all day and all night, even when you are fast asleep. It makes sure your heart keeps beating and your lungs keep breathing. The brain is the control center for your entire body, a powerful and busy place that makes you, well, you. It is more powerful than any computer ever built. Think of your brain like the ultimate boss in a huge company, which is your body. This boss has many different jobs. It has to manage all the departments, like the seeing department, your eyes, and the hearing department, your ears. It also has to make big decisions, like figuring out how to solve a math problem or deciding what to eat for lunch. The brain sends messages all over your body to make sure everything works together smoothly. These messages travel faster than a race car, telling your muscles to move, your stomach to digest food, and your eyes to blink. It's a very demanding job, but your brain is perfectly designed for it. The brain is made of special cells called neurons. There are billions of them. These neurons are like tiny messengers that talk to each other using electricity and special chemicals. They form connections, creating a huge network inside your head. It's like a giant telephone system where every call is important. When you learn something new, like how to ride a bike or a new word, you are actually creating new connections between these neurons. The more you practice something, the stronger these connections become. This is how your brain helps you learn and remember things throughout your entire life. So, this amazing boss, your brain, is not just sitting there. It is constantly working, processing information, and giving orders. It's the reason you can enjoy the taste of a sweet strawberry, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, or laugh at a funny joke with a friend. Every single experience you have is thanks to the work happening inside your brain. It's the most complex and fascinating part of who we are, a personal command center that helps us navigate the world every single second of the day. It's truly the most incredible machine you will ever own. To do its big job, the brain has a team of helpers. Let's meet the three main parts. First, there is the cerebrum. This is the biggest part of the brain, the wrinkly part on top. The cerebrum is the thinking part. It helps you solve problems, make decisions, and use your imagination. It's where you store your memories, from your first day of school to what you had for breakfast this morning. The cerebrum is what makes humans so good at creating art, music, and new inventions. It's the part that helps you read this very sentence and understand it. Next up is the cerebellum. This part is located at the back of your brain, underneath the cerebrum. Its name means little brain, and it's a specialist in movement and balance. Think about walking without falling over, catching a ball, or writing your name neatly. That is the cerebellum at work. It coordinates your muscles to make your movements smooth and precise. When you learn a new physical skill like dancing or playing a sport, your cerebellum is practicing hard to make sure you can do it without even thinking about it. It's the master of coordination. The third key player is the brainstem. This part connects your brain to your spinal cord, which is like a big cable running down your back. The brainstem is in charge of all the functions you don't have to think about, the automatic things that keep you alive. This includes your breathing, your heartbeat, and your digestion. It works like the building's power supply, making sure all the essential services are running all day and night. The brainstem is small, but incredibly mighty, because without it, the other parts of the brain couldn't do their jobs, and your body couldn't survive. Together, these three parts, the cerebrum for thinking, the cerebellum for moving, and the brainstem for living, work as a perfect team. Each part has its own special duties, but they are always communicating with each other. The cerebrum might decide you want to kick a ball, the cerebellum will figure out the exact muscle movements to do it, and the brainstem will make sure you keep breathing while you run. It's this amazing teamwork that allows you to do everything from sleeping peacefully at night to scoring the winning goal in a game. Your cerebrum, the big thinking part of your brain, is split into two halves. These are called the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. It's like having two expert team members who are good at different things but work together. The two sides are connected by a thick bundle of nerves like a bridge that lets them talk to each other constantly. So even though they have their specialties, they are always sharing information and collaborating to give you a complete picture of the world. You use both sides of your brain all the time for almost everything you do. The left side of the brain is often called the logical brain. It is very good with things like language, words, and numbers. When you are speaking, writing a story, or doing a math puzzle, your left brain is working hard. It likes to think in order, step by step. It helps you analyze information, follow instructions, and make logical plans. For many people, the left hemisphere is the dominant side for controlling the right side of the body. So, when you write with your right hand, it's the left side of your brain that is sending the instructions. The right side of the brain, on the other hand, is often known as the creative brain. It is more interested in pictures, music, and emotions. It helps you recognize faces, appreciate art, and understand feelings. When you are drawing a picture, humming a tune, or imagining a fantasy world, your right brain is taking the lead. It is excellent at seeing the big picture and understanding spatial relationships, like how to fit puzzle pieces together. The right hemisphere controls the left side of your body, so your left hand moves thanks to your right brain. Even though they have different skills, it's important to remember that you need both sides to work together. Imagine you are listening to a friend tell a story. Your left brain helps you understand the words they are saying, but your right brain helps you understand the emotion in their voice. Are they happy, sad, or excited? To get the full meaning, you need both hemispheres working as a team. This constant partnership between the logical left and creative right is what allows us to experience the world in such a rich and complete way. Every single day, your brain performs miracles you might not even notice. When you wake up, your brain is already at work, helping you recognize your room and remember what day it is. It connects what your eyes see, sunlight, and what your ears hear, an alarm clock, to tell you it's time to start the day. When you eat breakfast, your brain processes the taste of your food, the smell of your juice, and the feeling of the spoon in your hand. It's a sensory superstar, constantly taking in information from your 5 senses and making sense of it all for you. Your brain is also your personal library and movie theater, storing all your precious memories. It holds the memory of your best friend's laugh, the rules of your favorite game, and the knowledge you need for a test. When you feel happy because you remembered a fun vacation, that's your brain pulling up an old file for you to enjoy. Emotions are also managed by the brain. It's what makes you feel excited for a party, nervous before a speech, or calm when you listen to your favorite song. It connects events to feelings, helping you learn and react to the world. Think about how your brain controls your movements. It sends signals to your fingers to type on a keyboard, to your feet to dance to music, and to your mouth to form words. This all happens incredibly fast and usually without you having to think about it. Your brain plans the movement, tells the muscles what to do, and then gets feedback to make adjustments. It's like a brilliant choreographer and a skilled pilot all rolled into one, guiding your body through the complex dance of life with grace and precision, from the smallest twitch to the biggest leap. The human brain is truly the most amazing thing in the universe. It is a world of wonder right inside your own head, full of mystery and potential. It allows you to learn, to love, to create, and to dream. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. So be curious, ask questions, read books, keep learning new things and challenging your mind. Every time you do, you are not just learning about the world, you're making your own incredible brain stronger, healthier, and even more amazing.